I'm pretty glad this garage sale didn't kill my back, but I learned a few things. It's easier to push stuff around than pick it up and try to move it. So, went kind of caster crazy today with a few things here, and I want to show you some of the work that I did. And I used some scrap wood for this little moving cart deal. Just had some stuff laying around. I used T25 deck screws and some lag bolts for the casters. I just kind of threw it together this morning. And really need to purge all these wires and go through the wires in there. But that is one heavy cuss. And those Starite bins are just awesome. You get them at Walmart. I used these things for moving, and when I transferred up to Idaho and back, I bought these. It just makes life much easier. So I decided I'd make a little dolly moving cart thing for it. Now on this deal, all I did was put in some brackets and some 1/4-20s to hold the center up a little bit better. And I'm also using this to hold plants. Notched out the corners there so the wheels will spin good. And it's just plywood, but I'll stand on it. I weigh about 245 pounds of pure fat, and it holds me up. Yeah, really impressed with that thing. Just folds right down when you're not using it. The thing is great. Like I said, holding plants and whatever. And this is where I went kind of goofy. On here. But this recliner is just a beat 'em up crap piece that I got when I was stationed up in Idaho. Cat scratched, ripped, but just perfect for out here in my man cave, farting around. So, want to do a shout out to Green Mountain Do-It-Yourself for suggesting some lighting solutions for this new cubbyhole. Check out his channel. He's got some really cool stuff on there. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.